Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing both devices. Plug the watch until it's at least half charged and enable Bluetooth on your phone. Open the Noise app and grant call, contacts, and notification access so alerts can be forwarded. Once done, put the watch in pairing mode from settings Bluetooth on the watch. Do this now so the phone can discover the device. Make sure no other headsets or watches are actively connected to your phone to prevent pairing conflicts. This avoids needless retries. You now enable the Call Alert feature inside the Noise app. Tap Devices, select your watch, and toggle Call Alert on. The app will prompt for notification access. Grant it, because without notification access, Android or iOS won't forward incoming call metadata. Next, configure call priority and contact filters so only desired numbers trigger full alerts. This reduces false positives. If the app asks for phone or contacts permission, accept it. The system needs that to display caller ID on the watch. You finish by testing. Have someone call your number and watch for vibration, alert sound, and caller ID on the watch. If nothing appears, restart the phone and the watch, then reopen the Noise app. Many transient Bluetooth or notification permissions clear after a reboot. If problems persist, unpair and repair the watch from phone Bluetooth settings. One key troubleshooting tip. After any OS update, recheck notification access and the app's permissions. Updates often reset the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.